Forsberg, David Perron, Logan Couture, and Artifacts. Hints. Okay. Again, that same teal blue. I'm not sure the rankings on the colors, but I'm assuming teal can't be too good as we pulled a bunch of those. But just to review these decent cards before we look for the big one. So we just got the hints. We got Skinner, Zibby, Velarde, and then this gold looking Crosby. So, all right, let's see what we have here. Maybe I'll slowly go from the top. Oh, okay. 23 out of 99. Looks like that's an Emerald. 23 out of 99, Roman Josi.